either left or right. And then in your left hand you have the same controller, but you can go.
And the other thing, guys, you have to be
Oh my
confident
God!
where
Turn around, turn around. Oh. Yes!
EducationUSA Armenia competitive college club students, together with the UWC Dilijan students, will have their TED Talk resembling speeches, both for the VR and in-person audience. So we are starting this with a series of workshops, first for the UWC students, then for our students, and hopefully in the spring we will have the event together.
The idea emerged last year when we had the MUN conference in our school, and I met some people from EducationUSA that told me about the project, about the usage of virtual reality technology in public speaking. So we came in touch with EducationUSA in Armenia, and they came up with a great initiative to create some joint events and also train our students how to speak in public.
For 2 days, we had a great workshop with UWC students. During those 2 days, we tried to teach them about the general skills they would need to write a public speech and then deliver it.